Hi, I'm Cole Roth with MarineMax Naples. Today we're talking about our 2024 Boston Whaler 22 Dauntless. This one's featured in Glacier Green, powered by a Mercury 225 V6. Starting with the stern of the boat, we have these two jump seats that pop up, as well as two cup holders and three rod holders. When you aren't sitting in them, you put them down. It allows for easy walk-on access or fishability around the boat. Just forward of our transom seating, this boat was ordered with the optional 4-position leaning post, allowing the captain and his passenger to face forward or backwards. Underneath the leaning post, we have a 30-gallon live well, which can double as a cooler when you're not fishing. Moving forward to our console, you'll notice this boat was ordered without electronics. This allows the buyer to kind of put their personal touch on it, whether it's Ray Marine, Simrad, or Garmin. Our service department here at MarineMax Naples can install whatever you like. Moving over to the right, we have our Mercury gauges. This will tell us everything we need to know about our Mercury 225 V6. To the right of that, we have our glove compartment. This is good for wallets, keys, phones, anything that needs to be quickly accessible. This boat is equipped with JL sound system, so you have the head unit, all 4 speakers around side. So up on the dashboard of the console here, you'll see a nice little C-deck pad. This allows for non-skid, so your phone doesn't go flying around. In the middle here is a wireless charger. So the 22 Dauntless, even though it's 22 feet, does offer a lot of comfort features like this 2-person lounger with cup holders and armrest. Moving forward, we also have additional bow seating with storage under both cushions. This particular model is rigged and ready for a trolling motor. We do have our additional trolling motor batteries in the head below, which is accompanied by the portable toilet. And that concludes the tour of our 2024 Boston Whaler 22 Dauntless. Come check us out at MarineMax Naples. Again, my name is Cole. Thanks for watching.